Welcome to all ME2I student for engineering drawing lecture. Today we will have a discussion upon the sheet number 4, that is projections of solids. I will read the problem. A square pyramid, side of base 40 mm and axis length 60 mm is lying on HP. On one of its slant edge. This word is very much important, slant edge. Draw the projections of pyramid when its axis is parallel to VP. Okay, now which is the solid here? Solid is square pyramid. Position of axis parallel to VP. Means it is inclined to HP. So, axis in first position, that is initial position, will be perpendicular to HP. Initial position. That is at 45 degree. What is the length? We have to take 40 mm. 45 degree. This length is 40 mm. This is the center OP. Then you have to draw the front view. Now here we have drawn first you have to mark point here at 45 degree. At both the side mark here. Take what is the distance they have given, 40 mm. They have given 40 mm distance. Mark it here 40 mm. You have to mark it 40 mm. Then take a compass and cut it on both the side. Here and here we will get a square. This is axis OP. One, two, three, 4. Project this line upward. This is the base. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the point P. What is the axis length? This OP is 60 mm. Then draw this triangle. Now this O1 is resting. Take a point 1 here. This O1 is called as a slant edge. And this O1 is resting on HP. This slant edge is resting on HP means on XY. So take a point 1 here first. Take a distance O1. Mark it here. This is a point O. Now we have to complete the triangle. Now this O1 and O3 are having same distance. Keep the pointer on O. draw one arc. Now take the distance 1, 3. Complete the arc. This is the point 3. O3 we completed. How you completed? Take distance O1. Here is I have marked point 1. Now O1 and O3 are same. Mark one arc here. Take a distance 1, 3. Complete the triangle. Now take the distance from 1 to center point, point P, and 2 and 4. Here all are dash. 2, 1, 4, 1. Project the line in downward direction. Also project this line in this direction. We have to project it here. Now here is point 4. Where is point 4 here? Here is a point 4. This will be point 4. 1 and 3. This is a point 1. 1. This is a point 3. Here is a point 2. This is a point P. And this is a point O. This completely be seen. We are drawing now top view. One completely observed. This is front view. Top view, front view, top view. Give the dimensions. What is the height? Okay, thank you.